Alright, we're back at you with another video. First video of 2026. So we're going to be doing a cam swap and a cylinder head swap on Aidoz 98. So let's get into it. It's a boy. Righto lads, we're about hour and a bit in, so we've already got the timing cover off. About to take the cylinder heads out. I'm going to get the new ones in. Like and subscribe to Aidoz Garage YouTube channel. Hang on. Got one more bolt that's in there. This is bloopers. So cunt piss dirty cunt dirty. That's the first, and yeah, time to get the CNC heads in and send it. Perfect. Right everyone, we're going to call it a night here, about 10 o'clock now, so we're going to come back Thursday night and finish the rest of this cylinder head install in the cam swap. So we'll see you then. Alright, so this is the stage 3 LS3 version 2 BTR, so it's a 227 intake, 240X. Why do they do this X shit, man? And 0.636 lift on intake and exhaust on a 111.5 lobe separation angle. So this should give it more thumping, and bitches love thumping. So this is the 4th cam that this car has had now, so it did have a BTR red hot in it, so when I go blower, I'll probably chuck it back in. Can't really get it to focus on the rear cam bearings that well, but yeah, it's hard to really make a judgment. Okay, so now we're up to installing the first cylinder head. So this is just a quick look inside the intake ports. So these are fitted with BTR platinum springs, but yeah, nice and fresh. It's even got my name on it. That's so cool. So yeah, these are 821 LS3 heads, so they're also fitted with the hollow stem intake valve, and they've done the multi-angle cut on the valve seats and re-tipped the valves, so that's a back cut. And here's a quick look at the exhaust port. So yeah, these next gen engineerings, they're great. So this is the second set we've used now. So Jim's SS is also running these, but he got his own ported. I decided to go brand new since this engine has a decent amount of kilometers on it, so let's install it. Alright, so this time we decided to give these head gaskets a go. So, what was it? Kinetic? I think so, yeah. Yeah, kinetic. Yeah. I think that's the right way of pronouncing. Yeah, because we'll start building it up. Because I can start putting that other head down. Righto, so we got the cylinder heads buttoned up, we got the rocker arms in, and the rear coolant block offs. So now we're going to bolt the headers and put the intake on, and the, what do you call it? The earths. In the SS, fresh heads and cam, not tuned yet, so we'll just see what it can do tonight. It's just going to be a, you know, test and tune basically. Have a look, see what it does, see where it can improve. So I've got the shift point set at 6500. I'll let it go a little bit higher, but I just want to get the fueling right first before I turn it up. So we'll go from there. Alright, so I'm currently doing another tune. I don't know if you get the camera in there and get that. Yeah, so we're doing a tune now, so I'm going to rev the car out to 6800 where before it was 6500, and I've just added a degree or two more of timing and see if that will pick us up some better times. So I've got to win something tonight. I've lost every race this evening, so I can't let that keep happening. So we got to get that sorted out immediately.